the need for celebration of days like World Green Day. It is very important. You see, I have got a temperature measure in my hand. The temperature right now in Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab, India. I am at 3:30 p.m. and the temperature is 47.8. Earlier this temperature, since the monsoon season has started, it has gone down. The temperature rose to 48 in Chandigarh, and if this tendency of rising escalating temperature goes on, it will make us very uneasy to live. For the flora and fauna, the survival is at stake. And I will show you the difference. I am in a sunny weather. When we go under the tree, you will find the difference in the temperature. We'll go in a place where the trees are there. Just at 4 meters from this place, we are going to shoot it under the tree, and you'll see the difference. This is 48 right now. So the importance of trees, just have a comparison. Around 1 minute back, we had a shoot in the sun, open sun, and the temperature was 48. And see the difference. We are at 4 meters from that place, under the tree, and see the difference. It's 29 only, 29.3. There is a difference of 19 degrees. So brothers, the saying is well that if you grow trees, the temperature will come around 25, from 45 to 25. I'm showing you the difference. Just 1.5 minutes back, just 4 kilometers from this place where I'm standing under a tree. It's a solitary, 2 trees are there, and these 2 trees are blessing the temperature. It is down by 19 degrees. See the difference. Gear up for plantation. The World Green Day is calling you. Do your duty. Be dedicated to preserve the future generations from the escalating heat, and you will be the winners. Keep it up. 5 trees for everyone. Each one plant 5. Each one plant 5. See the difference. 17 degrees. 17 degrees. Just 4 meters away from the sunny day under the tree. Keep it up. Gear up for the plantation. Do it religiously, and temperature will be decreasing and giving you a easy way of life. Don't feel that you have to go under AC. Go under a tree, and tree will bless you. Each one plant 5. World Environment Day, 15th of July. Get back to you with more stories. The target is to increase the tree ratio from 28 to 100. We want 3-digit number for India. Get back to you, more stories of environment. Hip hip hooray. Keep it up. Your commitment for the World Green Day. Each one plant 5.